Miele Aromatic System Fresh. For every cup of freshly ground coffee brewed in a dynamic brewing chamber. Coffee made in a fully automatic coffee machine has never been so fresh and aromatic. The heart of Aromatic System Fresh is the slanted grinder. The slanted position allows the freshly ground powder to drop directly into the brew unit. An impeller removes powder residue from the grinder, ensuring that each cup of coffee is prepared with only freshly ground beans. The brew unit with its dynamic brewing chamber expands as water enters, mixing the coffee and water thoroughly and releasing aroma and flavour. After brewing, the volume of the chamber is reduced and the coffee is dispensed into the cup. Miele Aromatic System Fresh. Coffee made in a fully automatic coffee machine has never been so fresh and aromatic.